Hi guys, this is Dira Saha. Welcome back to my channel Recycle Ideas with Dira. Today my craft is door hanging. For this you need a thread like this. First you have to take the measurement of your door. Okay, take the measurement of the door because when you take the measurement you will have the idea how many crafts item you will be needed. Then you take a cardboard. Take one round object. I'm taking this salad wrap. You just need a small round. Okay. Then you take a arsenic paint. You have to cut this many. Okay, depend upon the size of the door. I'm doing one demonstration for you. First you have to paint white color. If you don't have arsenic paint you can go for watercolor or rangila color also, but you should not keep it on the main door when it will come in touch with the rainwater. Okay, with arsenic paint you can keep it in the main door also. You can keep it anywhere inside your door also, like this you color. Okay, when it dry you take another color color like red, yellow, green. Okay, when you are making for main door or any other door. Let it dry. Now we'll come for tussle. Tussle also you have to make 5 6. Okay, or depend upon the size of the door. I'm making this one 3 fingers tussle. If you want more longer tussle you can use 4 finger. Okay, like this, but using 3 finger. Wrap it like this. Cut it a small portion. First you tie a knot here, put it inside and tie it tightly. After this, if you have another hole, take this one and you have to wrap it around like this. You can use same hole also, but it will look nice. Here also you have to cut it all. Like this you have to make 5 6 you have to make. Okay, depend upon the size of the door. If you don't have tassel you can use bead also. Go to my playlist. I have already done one video how to make homemade beads at home, or you can purchase it from the market also. When this cardboard dry up, okay, you need some mirror. Take mirror, take fabrical. You will get this mirror in stationery shop. If you don't have mirror you can draw with You make a design with arsenic paint also, whatever design you want, like this. If you don't have mirror, okay, you can make any design here with arsenic paint. Let it dry. Now take this one thread. You have to insert one needle here. At the end, you have to tie a knot. I'm taking one bale. If you don't have this one, also you will get in stationery shop, art shop, like this. Now the tassel you have make already. Just after tassel, you if you have this type of bead, ball bead, or any other homemade bead, also you can use. Like this, you have to like this. After this, leave some space here, okay? Because we are sticking this one here, it will. If you can stitch, I think if you can stitch is also with little. This one you can stitch with needle also, like this. Now to take one tassel. If you don't have tassel, you can use beads, or you can skip this also. You can make this with this only also. Take bead. I'm taking two bead. You have to leave some space, okay, here in between. Leave some space. And like this I've done green color. Whatever color you have, you wish, you can use. Try to use positive color, okay, like red, yellow, green. Do not use black color. Like this you have to do. Now it will look like this, okay. You have to hang it in the main door like this.